Yo, what's
What's
up? Today we are in Tabanan Regency and check this out, this beautiful palm trees, coconut trees and environment over here, and we will show you today something very new. We never make a vlog here. So we are at the area where was the actually abandoned hotel, I think, hotel or something. Yes, honey, what do you think? What was here actually?
Yeah, I think
This
that
is your area, I don't know.
Yeah, so this area is called Pasut Beach, and then I think this one is a quite abandoned hotel. Long time ago, it's quite famous here, like guest house. But yeah, maybe there is no maintenance or something like that, and they just left.
I will show you. And here we go, that's how it looks, the alley. Beautiful tropical leaves here. Check this out, Winnie is trespassing. And the ocean in the background. And this beautiful coconut trees. Oh, and here is the swimming pool, or used to be a swimming pool.
And then with coconut trees around.
Yeah, that's how it looks. That's the area of the old kind of hotel. That must be long time ago.
Okay, so because it was abandoned for a long time ago, and then nowadays people just come here just to make Instagram. As you see, surround people, and also they charge for entrance fee only 15k per person.
Alright, so if it's Instagrammable place, let's make some pictures for Instagram. Maybe not for Instagram, but at least beautiful picture for the thumbnail of something like that. But check this out, it's like trespassing
But be
through
careful,
the...
I don't want to be lots of snakes or python here. Okay,
No.
just make a quick picture.
Yeah, quick. One more time I'm gonna show you how it looks. Here's supposed to be the swimming pool, and now they are beautiful coconut trees and plants, and there are some people over here making pictures. And also over here is the photo session, and on the beach, as you can see now, people are driving there, some sort of motorbikes. This beach is very local actually, not so many tourists coming to this place, sometimes just to making pictures with this environment. And as you see, kids driving around, but the place is really, really beautiful, I have to say. And also over there I think is the new hotel, or maybe also abandoned, I'm not sure, I think it's new. And check this out, Winnie's trying now the swing. Also maybe another picture will be from here. So cool. So cool. Ooh, honey. And the kids playing. And here's a young kid. So cool, so cool. Ah, honey, I will push you maybe, yeah? Oh, come on, honey. I push you. Okay, no? Okay, no pushing then. Honey, how was your swing, honey?
I don't know, I feel like it's okay, but yeah, maybe let's explore something around this place.
Yeah,
It could be warung or restaurant or something.
We will
Let's
see. We will see what is in this area. I stepped on something again. I hope so. Is it not? You know what?
Let's go.
Going back to my old hometown, picking up the years I leave behind. Getting in my car, I drive as memories fly by. Driving by the fields I used to run through, where you were chasing me. We were riding out under the bleachers when no one could see. Oh, sweet memories of a town I loved, but oh, changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that got away?
So that's how it looks, the beach from outside, and this is how it looks the local life. They even have a very fancy cars. Check this out, Land Cruiser, Daihatsu, Verosa, Bigfoot, and eating bakso and stuff like this. Our chimney there. People looking at me quite much today because, like I said, this is really non-touristy area. Only few tourists know about this place, and they usually also racing like a local people. But yeah, I will don't race here. For sure not with my chimney. And that's how it looks. Local people just chilling. some village, some dogs, chilling, family friendly place.
So basically the types of the sand whenever you go to the Tabanan beach is the black sand, soft like this, and a little bit like rocky, small rocks. So yeah. So now we see that quite many people, most of them who are coming here are locals. So there is no bule here, right? Only you.
Yeah, only me. Here we go. We was just talking about the tourists, and there are some tourists over there. They are even climbing the tree like a monkeys, and we are not.
This is the celebgram action. How they are jumping to the coconut tree and then make pictures.
Yeah. So funny. But that's how it is. And beautiful sunset it's gonna be. Very nice beach, very cool beach. Jesus, check this out one more time. So funny. We are just discovered as here is the hotel.
Yeah,
check this
and
out.
then they open for swimming pool package, only 50k per person.
Nice. Not any kind of paid endorsement. We just stroll on
found
the
it.
beach. They have a beautiful swimming pool as you see, and
Facing
the
the ocean.
coconut trees and the sunset soon. So I will show you around the hotel, and we're probably gonna jump to the pool very quickly. I will jump also, but I will show you now the place. So check this out, this place and the beautiful sunset, swimming pool, ambience, and we are, I don't wanna say something wrong, but I'm pretty sure, pretty confident, as we are only the guests here, at least what we can see from the pool area. But check this out, like the pool, coconut tree, sunset, beach, rocks, so beautiful. I will quickly show you the area. How does it look? They have also hotel, I think, here. I mean, not I think, I'm pretty sure they have a hotel, and basically that's how it looks, the hotel. Very long path, already towers coming for us. I think they have like bungalows or villa style, like here, this one, and also this one. I don't know how many. I will put the name of in the corner somewhere, as always. What's the name of the place if you're interested? Totally have no idea how much is the stay here, and if anyone stay. However, this is the restaurant and the pool and the vibes. So strolling around the property, and again so many coconut trees everywhere with the facing beautiful sunset and everything. I was just wondering why so many coconut trees in Tabanan Regency area, but not so many in Kuta, Legia and stuff like this. If you know, maybe, or maybe it was the long time ago, like 30-50 years ago in the 1960s, 1970s, when you used to travel to Bali, let me know, because I'm very curious if the coconut trees was not native in Kuta or they was just gone because of so many hotels and stuff like this. Meanwhile, enjoy this beautiful sunset. Check this out, when you're already in the pool and the beautiful sunset like this. Jesus, like I said yesterday, beautiful sunset every night. Just jump to the pool and some other people arrive, so we are not here anymore, only me and Winnie. But this is so cool, really cool place, cool vibes.
So I just realized that there are quite many hotels, like, you know, at the west side. So yeah, I was thinking like only Tanah Lot and then, you know, like Pantai Cinta or something like that. And when we go here, going to the west, there are many beautiful hotels. So nice.
Also some tourists actually were, I think this is the people who was climbing the coconut tree. And meanwhile, check this out, sunset gonna be in just few minutes. One more time I'm gonna give you a look, 360 degree. How does it look? It's actually pretty decent place. Also, this place is famous for the people because you can bring your own motorbike actually from the main entrance. You can drive, park next to the hotel, jump to the pool, go home. That's actually pretty cool.
So the difference between the beach in Canggu, Kuta, you know, you see some people ride their own bikes on the beach, but here, normal.
So beautiful. I know I said already a few times, but check this out. Coconuts, trees, and the sunset, so cool. Alright, we're having a coffee. It's already after sunset. Very nice vibe. Cheers, Kani. oh, oh. It's not as easy. When you're holding the camera, I'm all cheers. Cheers, guys.
Alright, so after we had a dip in a swimming pool, we feel so hungry, and because that hotel have a limited food choice, and yeah, they obviously not much customer in the hotel, so we decided to have a dinner outside. So this is how the place, and Damian will show you.
So we are in the restaurant, and this is the goose one. He always recognizes me because actually I'm quite often. I always remember you, my friend. I always remember. Okay, meanwhile I'm gonna show you the place. It's quite nice actually. I'm not gonna, because there are people eating, so that's also maybe not so polite. However, they have also swimming pool. There is the rice fields normally. Hello, how are you? And that's how it looks. There's people still playing in the pool. Yeah, just normal restaurant in the, not Canggu, but in Tabanan area. Looking very good. Hello, how are you? And I'm also gonna show you. There is the dog always. Actually, I'm here sometimes, so they know me already. This is not any paid endorsement, of course. Actually, I've been make a 2 times vlog here. If you're watching me for already longer time, you should remember this place. Yeah, that's so cool. Oh, yo, what's up? Check this, this beautiful fish and chips. I know Western, but we need to have something more local.
Okay, so I have pad thai today. I think that's all our video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. Selamat makan, smash Lego. Nice.
This out, this dog was sleeping on my leg. Unfortunately, we have a cook food only for you, la. That's not good, la. Now check this out, so nice. He almost fall asleep on my knee. Oh, so cool. Sweetie pie. Doggo, doggo. You have a blue eyes like Damush.